Hello traders, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can see in today's video we are going to look at what a head and shoulder pattern looks like. We are here on jump 75, and as you can see how how a head and shoulder looks like. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, this is the head. Now this is the neckline, and you should time it here, because if you draw a Fibonacci level, this is below 50%, and that's where you should target. That is going to take out this neckline, and you should move. As other traders are waiting for a retest, then you should be in the drive. Why? Because you can see on this left we are having what we call a void or FVG. Let's go to H4. Most traders call this one an FVG, right? Where buyers move the loan, but me I call it a void. An FVG, fair value gap, is where, or the space between the two, rather than three candles, the space between the two candles. Now this is a void, and that is the one we are going to be targeting. Why? In a market there must be buyers and sellers. So since here the sellers moved alone, the buyers moved alone, we shall be waiting for sellers to cover this void. All right, and what should we do? Let's go back to H1. We should be looking at this entry. As we are waiting for H4 candle to close, yeah, right, then you should enter from here and you stop loss here. Then you target all this. This should be your TP. All right. So let's watch and see how it will play out. That is my analysis. If you find this stop loss too big, then you can rather put it here. Okay, that's it. Let me see how it will play out. I will give you an update if time allows or if I remember. Good luck, keep tuned. Until next time, I love you. Subscribe, like my video, and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos.